Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been puzzling many of us on our fitness journey: fat loss. There's an abundance of information out there, but not all of it is accurate. In this video, we're going to debunk 7 common myths about fat loss that you need to stop believing. Let's separate fact from fiction and get closer to achieving our fitness goals. Here are the 7 myths about fat loss you need to stop believing. Myth number 1. Cutting out all fats leads to fat loss. It's a common misconception that cutting out all fats from our diet will result in losing body fat. In reality, not all fats are created equal. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are essential for proper bodily functions and can even aid in fat loss. It's the unhealthy saturated and trans fats we need to watch out for. Moderation is the key. Myth number 2. Skipping meals helps burn more fat. Skipping meals is not the way to go if you're looking to shed those extra pounds. When we skip meals, our metabolism slows down, and our bodies tend to hold on to fat as a survival mechanism. Instead, focus on eating balanced, regular meals to keep your metabolism revved up and aid in fat loss. Myth number 3. Doing only cardio is the best way to lose fat. While cardio exercises like running and cycling are great for burning calories, relying solely on cardio may not be the most effective approach to fat loss. Combining cardio with strength training or resistance exercises helps build muscle, and muscle burns more calories even at rest. So, don't forget to mix up your workouts. Speaking of workout routines for weight loss, Metcon 6 offers 6-minute workout sessions you can complete at home that are designed to stimulate fat loss and lean muscle growth. To access these workouts, a small fee is required, but they offer a full refund if you do not gain the desired results within a few weeks. If you're interested, check out their website through our link in the description of this video. Myth number 4. Fat loss supplements guarantee results. You might have come across various fat loss supplements promising quick results, but the truth is, there's no magic pill for fat loss. Some supplements may have temporary effects, but they're not a long-term solution. Focus on a balanced diet and regular exercise for sustainable fat loss. Myth number 5. Eating late at night causes fat gain. The idea that eating late at night automatically leads to fat gain is a myth. What matters most is your total daily caloric intake and the quality of the foods you consume. If you eat within your daily caloric needs and choose nutritious options, the timing of your meals won't significantly impact fat loss. Myth number 6. Only high-intensity workouts lead to fat loss. High-intensity workouts like HIIT can be fantastic for fat burning, but they're not the only option. Low to moderate intensity exercises, like walking or yoga, can also contribute to fat loss, especially when done consistently. Listen to your body and find a workout routine that fits your lifestyle and preferences. Myth number 7. Fat loss is the same for everyone. Perhaps the most crucial myth to debunk is that there's a one-size-fits-all approach to fat loss. Each person's body is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. It's essential to personalize your fat loss journey, considering factors like age, metabolism, and overall health. And there you have it, 7 myths about fat loss that we can now put to rest. Remember, achieving your fitness goals takes time and dedication, so be patient with yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep chasing those fitness dreams.